Hey everyone, today I'd like to talk about something a lot of people see as more of a necessity rather than a nice to have piece of tech. Dash cams, and specifically this little guy. The Apeman C860 is by no means new to the market, and for those who are interested in seeing the unboxing and the review of a much newer 4K dual dashcam, I will have a video coming out next Sunday, so subscribe and stay tuned. But back to the C860 for now. Everything one may need for the installation is included in the kit. The front and rear cameras, the micro USB power cable along with the suction windshield mount for the front camera, the long USB-C power/data cable for the rear camera, documentation, a spare double-sided adhesive for the rear camera, and even a handy tool to better hide the cables. The rear camera is 90 degrees adjustable and is mounted with the help of a double-sided adhesive tape. It is powered by a USB-C cable which connects to the front camera and transfers the data to the front camera, where it is saved in the micro SD card. The main camera has a carbon fiber look in the front, where the lens is asymmetrically placed on the right side. On the left top corner is the brand name, and at the left bottom corner are two vents. It has an IMX series Sony sensor. It is capable of recording 1520p in single mode and 1440 in dual cam mode, where the rear camera will be recording at 1080p. It also has something called Super Night Vision, which we will have a look at shortly. The top of the camera harbors the suction mount socket on the left, the rear camera USB-C socket in the middle, and the micro USB power socket on the right. On the right side are the up, down menu and the orange power/select buttons. At the bottom is a single microphone and the hard reset inner button. On the left side of the housing is the micro SD card slot, which will happily accommodate micro SD cards up to 128 gigabytes. But enough talk about the camera. Let us have a look at some actual footage recorded by these cameras, starting with some nighttime recordings. And I will allow the recordings to do all the talking. And here is what the audio recording quality sounds like.
On était liés, j'étais celle de tes rêves, celle qui comblait tes nuits, c'est la mariée. Faut dire que ce fut bref, ta nuit n'a duré qu'une seule soirée. J'en romantisme express, t'as pris le temps de venir mais pas de rester. Tu m'embrasses puis tu me laisses. Regarde comment je souris, regarde encore. Je veux savoir ce que t'en dis quand je souris trop fort.
For those who have not yet been involved in a car accident, I hope it stays that way. Dash cams may seem irrelevant, but once the accident happens, you would really want to have a dash cam, especially if the accident is no fault of yours and you have nobody around to be a witness. It is important to understand that it is not always that videos recorded by dash cam can be submitted to court. There is nothing guaranteeing that a court will accept that as a piece of proof at all. However, you may never get to a court if you actually have a video proving your innocence, because most insurance companies are not interested in taking things that far. And in my personal experience, insurance companies will happily accept a video of the accident, and a video which can prove your innocence very quickly and undoubtedly will save you a lot of headache. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.